YouTube. What's up? How is it going? It is raining. Not really raining, but there is like kind of snow like flurries. I think it's sleet. But it is very, very, very windy out. Oh, and I got a new gun. See? Nerf guns are awesome. Okay, let's put you down here. Okay, now, see this? This one is the main part. See? It's the handgun. This is the buttstock. But in here, this is the front piece of the gun. See, buttstock. It all hooks on. Then you put this part on. See, to make it do this. So now we can go hunt some people. Or not people. Get it! Get it, Mark! He saw something. I don't know what it is, but I'm kind of scared now. I got a Nerf gun, no, so I'm protected. He just said, come on. Oh, I want to go across that bridge. But I don't really know. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh, man, it's cold. It's cold and windy. It's actually pushing my hair down. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to put you on a tire swing. See? You go right there. Oh, this is a good holder. You gotta go. Oh, good God, it's cold. Sorry for my cursing. Okay, let's just put you right there. Did that actually work? Nope, you just fall. Ah, crap, my pop socket. I got it down. The gun is awesome. It also has a holster. Oh, it's too windy. Too windy today. Too windy. I hope to do some of my videos doing Minecraft. But. Well, it is what it is. So, I got Nerf bullets, a Nerf gun. I am actually going to take this apart right now. Oh, man, that thing is creaking. I think it's actually growing into the tree. I'm not even kidding. Okay, let's just... Oh, this is a good spot. Not. Okay, it's not a good spot. I don't know where to put you. I need a cameraman. Does anybody want to be my cameraman? I need a cameraman, like really bad. Okay, I'm just a shadow. But I'm gonna take all my stuff out. Put it on here. Then you put this in the bottom part. And we take this, put it back on. You would have never known I had this. You would have never known. Never known. Okay, but seriously, it is cold. Why not? Come on. I do most of my videos with my dogs. I will do most of my videos with my dogs. Ah, also a trash pile. See? Trash pile. That's supposed to be working. And this is my truck. I have stuff everywhere. Okay, what to do? What do I want to do? Oh, I got a good idea. Let's go show you what four-wheeler. The four-wheeler. Hey. Hey. You like it, huh? Nope. Nope, nope. Okay, 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 okay. See. It needs some work done to it. It does. It really does. Oh my gosh. Oh. I am just using my phone to do videos. It's really sad. Once I get my heavy permission and I get to be, I don't know, maybe 13. Oh, I'm just hiding behind this shed. It's locked. It's locked. I'm just hiding behind the shed because it is freezing and the wind is making it worse. Oh, I got my new bike. I got a lot of stuff here that I need to fix up. Hello? Alright, come on. Okay. 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 Wait a minute. Could this actually work as a holder? Nope, too low. I need like a really tall cameraman. Okay. 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 La la la. Okay. Okay, I want to go back to the tire swing. So, bye bye guys. Okay, hello. Oh, I feel like I'm coming out with the cold. I need to work on a better intro. I really do. Introducing the great and ordinary me. Okay. I hope to do a live stream sometime when I'm got the permission from my overprotective mother. But okay. I always show my Nerf guns from the shooter's point or perspective, or like up close, or like the shooter's point of the shooter's perspective. Look at the trays. Let's shoot this. Woo! Okay, that was pretty cool. It shot a little bit higher, but not very much higher. Let's just put it right here for now so I can load the gun. Don't know what to do. I cannot know what to do. I gotta go, guys. Bye.